Howdy folks, welcome back to Terry Family Adventures. Got me and James, and today we're feeling like a monster, and we're gonna construct us a welding table. Show you how to do it.
Terry Family Adventures.
Alright, so we found this metal stand in the scrap pile at work. We figured it's almost a complete table, so I snatched it and brought it home, and literally it's just welded together. We could have, if we had the raw materials, we could have made the same thing, but at this point this thing's free, so we're going to start here. We've got this metal plate. You've seen the video where I acquired this metal plate. And it's obviously too long. We don't want a whole lot hanging off of the edges so that we can't like lean on it and flip the table over. So we're going to do about a 2-inch gap all the way around. And so we're going to measure this out off of here 2 inches. Use the square to make a straight line. Now we're going to grab the cutting wheel, cut it off. got the plate cut, before we can weld it to the table here, we've got to get rid of the paint. And so I'm gonna place this on here. We're gonna use our Sharpie. We're gonna outline it so that we don't have to grind more than we need to grind. So. Alright people, well we ground it out a little wide there just so that we had good room to weld to. Let's get to welding. Enough juice. There's some welds. We pretty much got this thing together. We're just gonna wire wheel it off and then we'll move on to the next step, but I just wanted to show you the weld. Alright, well while James is over here stripping all the paint off of this so that it actually conducts electricity, this shelf is not tall enough. It's only 2 feet 4 inches tall, so I'm gonna cut some wood blocks for us to bolt down there to the bottom. And we're going to accomplish that at the same time. we got this on here. I countersunk the bolts in. Adds a good amount of height to it so I don't bust my back. We got the nuts and washers on that side. We have a little bit more work to do on that, but we're done for the night. We've had enough. We don't have the bolts to even put the other leg on. This is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, everybody. We're going to kick back and enjoy some beverages that come in glass bottles. And thank you for watching. Have a good night.
I feel like a monster. Thanks.